Welcome to our travel adventure as we explore the breathtaking beauty of Croatia. Nestled along the stunning Adriatic Sea, Croatia is a treasure trove of picturesque landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage. From the dramatic cliffs of Dubrovnik to the serene lakes of Plitvice National Park, this country offers a diverse array of natural wonders that will leave you in awe. But it's not just the scenery that captivates. Croatia is steeped in history, with ancient castles, vibrant festivals, and delicious cuisine that reflect its unique blend of influences. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to uncover some of Croatia's hidden gems, showcasing lesser-known spots that are just as enchanting as the popular tourist destinations. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, get ready to discover why Croatia should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Join us as we dive into the stunning landscapes and rich culture that make this country truly unforgettable. Prepare to be mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage site that showcases nature at its finest. This stunning park is renowned for its cascading lakes, where crystal-clear waters flow over limestone barriers, creating a series of enchanting waterfalls. The vibrant turquoise hues of the lakes are simply unforgettable, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in this natural wonder. Surrounding the lakes is a lush tapestry of greenery, home to diverse wildlife that thrives in this protected environment. As you wander through the park, keep an eye out for deer, rare birds, and even the occasional bear, all of which contribute to the area's rich biodiversity. To truly experience the magic of Plitvice, take advantage of the well-maintained walking trails that wind through the park. These paths lead you to scenic viewpoints, offering breathtaking panoramas of the lakes and waterfalls. So lace up your hiking boots and get ready to explore one of Croatia's most iconic natural treasures. Step into the historic charm of Dubrovnik's Old Town, often referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic. This UNESCO World Heritage site is a captivating blend of stunning architecture and rich history, with its iconic city walls standing tall as a testament to the city's medieval past. As you stroll along these ancient fortifications, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the shimmering Adriatic Sea and the terracotta rooftops that define the skyline. At the heart of the Old Town lies the Stradun, a bustling promenade that exudes vibrant energy. Here you can immerse yourself in the local culture, exploring charming shops, cafes, and lively markets that showcase the best of Croatian craftsmanship and cuisine. Dubrovnik has also gained international fame as a filming location for popular series like Game of Thrones, where its stunning backdrops brought the fictional world of Westeros to life. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a fan of television, Dubrovnik's Old Town promises an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of this remarkable city. Welcome to Hvar Island, a true gem of the Adriatic known for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by picturesque lavender fields that blanket the landscape, filling the air with their delightful fragrance. The island's crystal-clear waters invite you to dive in and explore the hidden coves and pristine beaches that make Hvar a paradise for sunseekers and water enthusiasts alike. But Hvar isn't just about natural beauty, it's also a hotspot for nightlife. The island comes alive after sunset with lively bars and clubs that attract visitors from around the world. Enjoy a cocktail while dancing the night away, or savor the local cuisine at one of the many restaurants offering fresh seafood and traditional dishes. Don't miss the chance to explore the charming town of Hvar, where historic sites like the impressive Fortica Fortress and the stunning Cathedral of St. Stephen await. With its perfect blend of relaxation and excitement, Hvar Island is a must-visit destination that promises unforgettable memories. Welcome to Split, a vibrant city where ancient history seamlessly intertwines with modern life, centered around the magnificent Diocletian's Palace. Built in the 4th century, this UNESCO World Heritage site is not just a historical monument. It's a living part of the city with locals and visitors alike enjoying its stunning architecture and rich heritage. As you wander through the palace walls, you'll discover a fascinating blend of ancient ruins and contemporary shops, cafes, and residences that breathe life into this historic site. Just outside the palace, the Riva Promenade buzzes with energy, offering a picturesque waterfront where you can relax and soak in the lively atmosphere. Here you'll find street performers, outdoor cafes, and stunning views of the harbor, making it the perfect spot to unwind after exploring the palace. Don't forget to venture into the local shops and cafes, nestled within the palace grounds, from artisan boutiques to charming eateries serving delicious Croatian cuisine. Split offers a delightful experience that captures the essence of both its ancient past and vibrant present. Welcome to Plitvice National Park, a breathtaking natural wonder known for its stunning waterfalls and lush landscapes. At the heart of the park lies the famous Skredinsky Buk waterfall, a spectacular cascade that tumbles over a series of travertine barriers, creating a mesmerizing sight. Surrounded by vibrant greenery and crystal-clear waters, this iconic waterfall is a perfect spot for photography and relaxation. Plitvice National Park offers visitors a wealth of opportunities for adventure, including swimming in the refreshing pools at the base of the waterfalls. Imagine taking a dip in the cool waters while surrounded by nature's beauty. For those who love to hike, the park features well-marked trails that lead you through diverse ecosystems, showcasing the rich flora and fauna that thrive in this protected area. As you explore, take a moment to appreciate the unique wildlife from colorful birds to playful otters that call Croatia home. This stunning park is a true testament to Croatia's natural beauty, inviting you to immerse yourself in its serene and captivating environment. Welcome to Zagreb's Upper Town, a captivating area steeped in cultural and historical significance. As you wander through its charming cobblestone streets, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by beautifully preserved medieval architecture and historic landmarks. Each corner reveals a piece of the city's rich past, making it a delightful place to explore. The Upper Town is not just about history, it also boasts a vibrant art scene that reflects the creativity of its residents. Local galleries showcase contemporary art, while street performers add a lively atmosphere to the area. After soaking in the sights, take a break at one of the many cozy cafes, where you can enjoy a cup of coffee and indulge in delicious pastries while watching the world go by. Don't miss the iconic St. Mark's Church, with its stunning tiled roof, and the nearby Lauterskak Tower, which offers panoramic views of the city. A visit to Zagreb's Upper Town promises a perfect blend of history, culture, and local charm that will leave you enchanted. As we wrap up our journey through Croatia's beautiful places, it's clear that this stunning country offers a remarkable blend of diverse landscapes and rich cultural experiences. From the breathtaking waterfalls of Plitvice National Park to the historic charm of Dubrovnik's Old Town, each destination showcases the unique beauty that Croatia has to offer. Whether you're exploring the vibrant nightlife of Var Island or wandering the cobblestone streets of Zagreb's Upper Town, there's something for every traveler to enjoy. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations and plan your own adventure in Croatia. With so much to see and do, you're sure to create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Have you visited any of these beautiful places in Croatia? Share your stories with us. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in our next adventure.